Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha tester in Rivals. First, understand that alpha testers are essential for game development. They play early versions of the game, identifying issues and offering insights. Your feedback directly influences the final product, helping developers create a better experience for everyone. This role requires keen observation and clear communication. To find alpha testing opportunities, start by closely monitoring official Rivals' social media accounts. Developers often announce testing phases there first. Next, join the official Rivals Discord server. It's a hub for community interaction and early announcements. Finally, regularly visit the game's official website, as application forms are typically posted directly. When applying, fill out the form completely and honestly. Be sure to highlight any prior experience you have with similar game genres or previous testing roles. Developers look for individuals who can articulate their thoughts clearly and provide actionable, constructive feedback. Show them you understand the importance of detailed bug reports and thoughtful suggestions. To increase your chances, be an active and positive member of the Rivals community. Engage respectfully and offer helpful insights. When reporting bugs, be precise. Include clear reproduction steps and screenshots if possible. Your dedication and thoroughness are highly valued. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.